In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional signature for Gmail. Whether you're an established professional or just starting out, having a polished email signature adds a touch of professionalism to your communications. Now, let's jump right into it. To start, open your web browser and navigate to Google. You'll want to search for how to create a professional signature for Gmail. This search will lead you to a variety of resources, but the primary focus today is on the step-by-step process that you'll follow directly in Gmail. The first thing you need to do is log into your Gmail account. Once you're on the main inbox page, take a look in the upper right-hand corner. Here, you'll find a gear icon, which will lead you to the settings when clicked. This is your gateway to customizing your Gmail experience. After clicking the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Go ahead and select See All Settings. This will open a new page filled with options tailored to make your Gmail work best for you. From here, click on the General tab, which is usually the first tab you'll see. Scroll down through the settings until you reach the Signature section. This is where the magic happens. You're going to create a new signature by clicking on Create New. A small window will pop up prompting you to give your new signature a name. Choose a name that's descriptive but simple, something like work signature or personal signature, depending on your needs. With your signature named, now's the time to design it. In the signature text box, you can type out your name, your position, company name, phone number, and any other relevant contact information. Make sure to format your text to match your branding or personal style. Gmail allows for bold, italics, and even different text colors, so feel free to get creative. But remember to keep it professional. If you'd like, you can also add a logo or a profile picture to your signature. This can be done by selecting the Insert Image option in the signature editor. Just ensure your images are appropriately sized so they don't overwhelm your reader. Once you've built your signature to your liking, scroll a bit further down to apply it to your emails. You'll find options to choose your default signature for new emails and replies or forwards. Make your selections and then don't forget the most crucial part. Scroll to the bottom and hit Save Changes. This step ensures your hard work doesn't go to waste. And there you have it. A professional signature is now set up for your Gmail account. It's a small detail, but it makes a big impact. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.